Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your WhatsApp business account and enabling API access. That's essential because messages must flow through the platform. Once done, pick an AI service that supports webhooks and templates. You need API keys, a webhook URL, and message templates approved. You'll set up a small server or serverless function to receive WhatsApp webhooks and relay them to the AI. This step begins the loop. Inbound webhook right arrow AI inference, right arrow WhatsApp reply, so test with one template immediately. You now design the conversation flow. Map core intents and craft concise quick reply paths plus a robust fallback. Make sure to store context, session ID, last 10 messages, and any CRM fields, so replies remain coherent. This avoids repetitive questions. Next, convert AI responses into WhatsApp-compatible formats. Templates for outbound notifications, interactive list or reply buttons for choices, and media attachments when needed. As you implement, log payloads and latency to tune, prompt length and response time for a smooth user experience. You deploy after staging, enable rate limits, ensure templates are approved, and route traffic gradually. Then monitor delivery rates, latency, and error counts. Set alerts if failures exceed 5% or median latency goes above 2 seconds. If issues appear, check webhook signatures and logs first. Invalid signatures or malformed JSON are common culprits. Also verify template approvals and AI provider rate limits. Finally, roll back or throttle traffic while you patch the webhook handler or adjust prompts. This keeps user experience stable during fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.